Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Hussein and you are watching Infotech channel. In today's video I'll teach you how to activate your Windows 10. I have activated my Windows 10 with this method, but you can try on Windows 7, Windows 8 also. Okay, before proceeding with this video, you must install WinRAR software in your PC because this is WinRAR file. Okay. After downloading software, click on software and extract here. Okay, this is extracted file. Now right click open. Okay, now click on open and yes. Okay, from here click on active Windows. Okay, as you can see, product successfully activated. So this was a short video about how to activate your Windows 7, 8 or 10. With this method you can also activate your Microsoft Office, and with this option, just to click on this option, your Microsoft Office will be activated. I hope guys this video will helpful for you. Please like this video, share this video, and don't forget to press the subscribe button and bell icon. When you press the bell icon, so you can get notification about my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and have a nice time. Allah Hafiz. Pakistan Zindabad.